everyone, this is Enbon LED display. Today we are excited to introduce Enbon's R5 model, a rental product that will soon be exported to India. Right now, what you are seeing is the outdoor R5 Plus with a pixel pitch of P3.91, featuring IP65 waterproof and dustproof protection. In addition, our workshop is also producing indoor models with pixel pitches of P1.56, P1.95, P2.604, P2.976, and P3.91, as well as outdoor models of P2.604 and P2.976. This product adopts a curved solution design, and the R5 Plus model is also available with a straight solution design. The R5 Plus with curved solution can not only be connected with the straight solution version, but also seamlessly combined with other R5 series solutions, including straight solution, curved solution, 90 degrees design solution, and flexible solution to achieve more creative display configurations. Please take a look here. This model uses hard connection and dual signal interfaces. It supports both front and rear materials and is equipped with magnetic modules, making servicing easier and more efficient. The R5 Plus is now in mass production at Enbon. If you'd like to learn more about this product, please contact us right away. Have a great day.